the orthocenter, first question, the orthocenter of the triangle, the orthocenter of the triangle, the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines xy is equals to 0, xy is equals to 0 and x plus y is equals to 1 and x plus y is equals to 1 is, this is the question. Here what xy equal to 0 represents? It's a pair of lines. Here xy is equals to 0 is a pair of lines. Which pair of lines? X is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. This is one line. X equals 0 is because L1 L2 is equals to 0 is a pair of lines which is represented by L1 and L2. L1 is equals to 0 and L2 is equals to 0. Here L1 is what? X equal to 0 and L2 is y is equals to 0. So x equal to 0 is what? Y axis equation. X equal to 0 is y axis equation. Y is equals to 0 is x axis equation. Means this xy is equals to 0 is x axis and y axis pair of lines. Means this xy is equals to 0 is this one. This x axis and y axis. This pair of lines. This x axis equation is what? Y is equals to 0 and y axis equation is x equals 0. This xy equals 0 is the coordinate axis pair of lines. So here angle is 90 degrees and one more line is given, that is x plus y is equals to 1 is given. So x plus y is equals to 1 is this line. This is x plus y is equals to 1. So here we need the orthocenter of this triangle. Suppose this is R is in O 0, 0 and this is A. A is what? 1, 0 because x plus y is equal to 1 is the line and this B is 0, 1. So the orthocenter of this triangle is the question. But as we know that orthocenter of a right angle triangle, it's a right angle triangle where the right angle is what? At 0, 0. So orthocenter of a right angle triangle, orthocenter of the right angle triangle is the vertex where right angle is formed. Orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex where the right angle is formed. So this is the right angle triangle. Right angle is formed at origin. Therefore orthocenter is the vertex where right angle is formed. Therefore orthocenter of the triangle is what? 0, 0. This is a simple question. Therefore this is the orthocenter.